Ever wanted to grow a bonsai but felt overwhelmed by all the pruning, rules, and root talk? Let me tell you something. Bonsai doesn't have to be complicated. Some trees just want to be bonsai. And today, I'll show you three of the easiest ones to start with. Trees so forgiving, they almost train themselves. First up, the ficus. If bonsai had a best friend category, this tree would win. Ficus bonsai are hardy, patient, and resilient. They love indoor life, they bounce back from mistakes, and they forgive forgotten watering schedules. Their flexible branches are perfect for beginners learning wiring and shaping. And with their lush green leaves and visible aerial roots, they still look like a real bonsai from the start. Start here if you're nervous. Ficus will teach you without punishing you. Next is the jade tree. Not your traditional bonsai, but a champion in its own right. Think of it as the succulent of the bonsai world. Low maintenance, drought-tolerant, and stunning in silhouette. Jade bonsai prefer less water, making them perfect for forgetful waterers or busy folks. They're sensitive to overwatering, yes, but that's a built-in lesson in patience and restraint. Their thick, gnarled trunks develop character with time, and they hold their shape beautifully once styled. Plus, they're a joy to prune. Each cut feels like a conversation. But here's the thing. Bonsai isn't about perfection. It's not about buying the rarest tree or mastering every technique in your first season. It's about growing alongside something. And sometimes, starting simple is the bravest choice of all. Finally, the Chinese elm. A true beginner's tree with a classic bonsai look. Delicate branches, tiny serrated leaves, and incredible branch ramification over time. It can live indoors or outdoors. It can be pruned aggressively or lightly shaped. It tolerates a little neglect. It adapts to new growers. And it gives you options. Formal upright, informal, broom, cascade, you name it. It's one of the few trees where your effort is mirrored in its beauty. And when it thrives, it makes you feel like you know what you're doing, even if you're still learning. Here's a debate for you. Should beginners only start with forgiving species like these? Or is struggling with a more challenging tree part of the bonsai journey? Let me know in the comments. This one always gets people talking. So, what are the top 3 easiest bonsai trees for beginners? Ficus, forgiving and indoor-friendly. Jade, sculptural, low maintenance, and satisfying to prune. Chinese elm, adaptable, rewarding, and a true bonsai classic. Start with any of these, and you're not just planting a tree, you're planting confidence. The truth? Every bonsai tree will teach you something, but these 3, they'll teach you gently. They'll wait for you to catch up. They'll show you the rhythm of watering, the peace of pruning, the quiet joy of simply paying attention. So start simple. Start now. And remember, bonsai isn't a test, it's a relationship. And some of the best relationships begin with a ficus, a jade, or a little Chinese elm.